Paano po yung process niyan kung walang down payment? Okay, so good question, Ma'am Mabs. Okay, so kami na pong bahala mag-process niyan. Ibig sabihin po, 100% po loanable po yun kay Pag-ibig or kay bank financing. At ang maganda niyan, no, wala nang 10%, 15%, 20% spot down payment. That's why yung ating financing, okay, 100% loanable amount po siya. So as in, reservation fee lang talaga yung ilalabas mo dito, Ma'am Mabs, okay? Wala ka na talagang spot down payment na babayaran or spot equity. Ayun po yung maganda dito. And then 2-bedroom unit na to, ready for occupancy na, at maganda niyan, malapit pa sa SM at meron pang gagawin dito na MRT4 project. So that's why napaganda rin mag-invest ngayon dito. Okay, so interested po kayo, Ma'am Mabs, okay, through Pag-ibig Financing or bank financing, kahit saan man dyan, no down payment yan at makakaabot pa kayo sa promo. So kung interested po kayo, follow po muna kayo bago mag-message, bago mag-comment, para ma-prioritize ko po kayo sa inquiries ninyo. Masendan ko kayo ng photos, details, and sample computation. At huwag nyo na rin po kalimutan na i-share at i-like po yung video natin.